Transform your audience's mindset and skyrocket engagement by effortlessly crafting AI-powered motivational videos with Pictory. Let's dive into how you can harness Pictory's incredible AI to generate your next viral motivational masterpiece. The first step is simple: input your script, whether it's a powerful quote, a personal story, or a pre-written motivational speech. Pictory's AI will work its magic. Once your script is in, Pictory's AI analyzes the text and automatically finds stunning, high-quality video clips and images that perfectly match your message, saving you hours of searching. Now, you have creative control. Browse through a vast library of uplifting music to set the perfect tone and select visuals that resonate with the emotional arc of your message. Pictory's AI intelligently syncs the chosen visuals with your voiceover or selected music, creating a seamless and engaging viewing experience. You'll see your words come to life with dynamic text overlays that highlight key phrases. Need to refine something? No problem. You can easily swap out any video clip or image with just a few clicks, or adjust the timing to perfectly match your narrative. When your masterpiece is ready, simply export your video in any desired format, optimized for sharing across all your social media platforms. Imagine the impact: consistent, high-quality motivational content that inspires, connects, and keeps your audience coming back for more, all generated with the power of AI and Pictory. Start creating impactful AI-generated motivational videos today with Pictory.